Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk and show you how you're going to open a Microsoft OneDrive account. Before we start, I would like to tell you that Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud storage service that allows users to store, sync and share files across multiple devices. OneDrive for Home is online personal storage that you get when you set up a Microsoft account to use services such as Outlook.com or Xbox. It has unlimited file accesses anytime and also renders files available from anywhere for collaboration. OneDrive securely stores files and information, so it is an organizational platform for files and helps to free up device storage. Now, let's see how you can open a OneDrive account. First, you need to go to OneDrive app, which I'm showing in the screen, and where you will be required to sign up with a Microsoft account. So here we go. So it will need a create account. So first you need to put your email ID in here. Suppose I'm putting a random email ID. Then also put at the rate of outlook.com. Let's see it's available or not. Yes, so it's available. Now you put your password in here. So after you put your email ID and password, your account will be verified. OneDrive will verify your account. As soon as your verification gets over and everything seems all right, your OneDrive account will be opened. As soon as your verification is end and as soon as you get the account, you will get 5 GB OneDrive storage free. You can also purchase additional storage options or subscribe to Microsoft 365 to get more storage. So basically that's it for today. See you in the next video.